Welcome back to AutoQuake, where we decode the future of cars one innovation at a time. And today, we're taking a closer look at a nameplate that quietly left the scene, only to return with elegance, presence, and a fresh identity. This is the 2026 Citroën C6, a large executive sedan that's here to shake up a segment that's increasingly predictable. If you're looking for comfort, luxury, and a unique design that doesn't follow the herd, you might want to sit back. Because the C6 is back, and it's playing a very different game. First things first, Citroën hasn't tried to mimic the Germans. The C6 is not trying to be an Audi A6, BMW 5 Series, or Mercedes E-Class. Instead, it's proudly French, embracing curves over aggression, fluidity over harsh lines, and comfort over rigid performance. It's a sedan for thinkers, not show-offs. And that's a very welcome change. The exterior design is a masterclass in Citroën's signature philosophy, bold yet graceful. The front fascia is minimalist and elegant, featuring thin LED headlights that blend into a wide chrome-accented grille. The double chevron logo is integrated seamlessly across the front, giving it a clean and futuristic look. From the side, the car flows with a coupe-like silhouette despite being a full-size sedan. Hidden door handles, soft sculpting, and a long wheelbase give the C6 a premium yet distinct personality. Around the rear, the LED tail lamps feature a crisp signature light pattern that wraps into the trunk, and the dual-tone bumper adds depth to the lower profile. Citroën offers the C6 in a range of muted metallic tones, complemented by subtle chrome highlights and black contrast elements, making it both modern and timeless. But what makes the 2026 Citroën C6 truly unique is what's under the skin. This car is built on Stellantis' latest electrified platform, offering two key powertrain options. The base variant features a refined 1.6L turbocharged petrol engine paired with a mild hybrid system, delivering smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. The more premium setup, however, is the plug-in hybrid model, combining a petrol engine with an electric motor for a combined output of around 225 horsepower, with an electric-only range of up to 70 kilometers, perfect for daily commutes with zero emissions. The transition between electric and combustion modes is seamless, and the ride comfort, next level. Citroën brings back its progressive hydraulic cushion suspension, which absorbs road imperfections like nothing else in its class. Whether you're gliding over cobblestone streets or flying down the highway, the C6 delivers a pillow-smooth experience, something rare in a market obsessed with stiffness and sportiness. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that is both calming and futuristic. The design focuses on simplicity and spaciousness. A full-width digital display houses both the driver cluster and infotainment system. Below that, tactile physical controls are reserved for key functions. Because Citroën knows not everything should be a touchscreen, the seats are wide, lounge-like, and come with heating, ventilation, and massage features. Soft touch materials, layered textures, and warm ambient lighting elevate the atmosphere. There's ample legroom in the rear, almost limousine-like, and an optional executive pack adds reclining seats, rear screens, and fold-out trays. For passengers who prefer to be chauffeured. On the tech side, the 2026 C6 includes Citroën's advanced comfort interface, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, adaptive voice control, and OTA updates. Safety is handled by a full suite of driver aids, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. So who is the 2026 Citroën C6 really for? It's for the driver or passenger who values comfort, serenity, and a touch of eccentric charm. It's for those who want to stand out not by being loud, but by being different. If you're tired of the predictable executive sedans out there, the C6 offers an escape, a rolling sanctuary. A true alternative. Let us know what you think. Does the 2026 Citroën C6 deserve a spot in the premium sedan spotlight? Could it be the quiet disruptor the segment needs? Hit like if you're loving Citroën's comeback, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to AutoQuake for more honest, high-quality deep dives into the cars that dare to do things differently. Until Next time, stay smooth, stay curious, and never underestimate the power of comfort.